Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can enable voice chat in Roblox on the PlayStation 5. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Roblox on the PlayStation 5 and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the top, you're gonna find all of the sections. Right here, you're gonna find the home section, avatar, connect, and here you're gonna find the search option. Here you're gonna find Robux, and right here you're gonna find more. If you click on more, here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find your settings, about, quick login, and lastly, help. So go ahead and click on settings, and as you can see guys, right here in the settings, you won't find the option to enable voice chat on Roblox. So what you need to do guys is actually adjust or set your voice chat settings from the PlayStation options. So what you need to do guys is go ahead and leave Roblox. You can click on options button on your controller and close the game. And then once you do that, you can just go here to the top. If you go here to the right, you're gonna find your settings. And here in settings, go ahead and search for sound. Right here, as you can see guys, in sound, you're gonna find microphone, audio output, 3D audio, and so on. So just go ahead and click on microphone. Then right here, you're gonna find input device. Go ahead and click on it. And then right here, you're gonna find all of your available input devices. So if you have a microphone, for example, for a headset or something like that, make sure to choose it right here. And if you have, or if you want to use your controller's microphone, go ahead and click on microphone on controller. Once you do that, go ahead and then go back to Roblox. Go ahead and open it again. And make sure you didn't click on the mute button on your controller. If you're using the controller mic, then your voice chat should work. So this is us guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.